Have any events in your environment like a snake bite, exposure, storm injury, heart attack or suicide happened lately? Parks Victoria know from first-hand experience how emergency markers are a very low-cost investment to mitigate risk. Success where there are 150 emergency markers over the years within the Grampians Open Spaces region has shown Parks Victoria how they assist in response time for emergency services and visitors who are coming to see the iconic sites in the area. Without specific location information, such as an emergency marker or named picnic ground, it is often difficult for lost or injured visitors to accurately describe where they are within natural bush settings such as a national park, and then assist emergency services with the directional information to prepare for any obstructions and type of terrain. During the pandemic, Parks Victoria continued their duty of care to mitigate risk by installing another 56 markers to their new Grampians Peaks Trail. Since June 2021, when they were installed, people noticed these signs and they assisted in more than 30 emergency calls for visitors who went to explore the Grampians Peaks Trail. Emergency markers in the Grampians are located on popular walking track intersections, key lookouts, and locations with a history of injuries. Emergency markers are signs with a unique alphanumeric number that allows a 000 call taker to pinpoint the caller's exact location in these hard to define places. So next time people are visiting the Grampians, they can look after their own safety and be aware of their surroundings and take note of where they are by photographing emergency markers on their trail. So ask yourself, can I look after my visitors in my environment better? The end result using emergency markers is faster response times. This leads to better patient outcomes and saves time and saves lives.